The first task is to find ATM?
Yes.
Okay. They didn't put any board here of Divya Hotel.
It's there.
Okay, Hotel Divya.
But it's on the mushroom board.
Yeah.
But it's like you have like really nice mushrooms and underneath it's like Hotel Divya. Really, it's like their logo compared to the other ones. Like.
So, ये एक चौक है जहाँ से हम लक्ष्मण झूला पहुँच गए. Yes. Now, do you see? Okay, what is this? Oh fuck, monkey! I don't like them, bro. Okay, it's so crowded. एक तो हमने लक्ष्मण झूला पार किया. So there is the way. अगर तुम नीचे से उतर के आते हो और एक रास्ता इधर से ऊपर जाता है. So this is a shortcut. सो भाइयों एक ATM तो ये रहा, और ये रास्ता जस्ट इसके बगल से नीचे लक्ष्मण झूले पे जाता है। सीताराम मंदिर का बोर्ड भी है, और ये रहा ATM है। इसे नो इट्स नॉट वर्किंग। तो भाई ATM तो काम नहीं कर रहा, अब देखते हैं दूसरा ATM। For that I believe we have to go till the T point and then we have to take left. बहुत सारे होटल मिल जाएंगे तुम्हें घुसते ही। सामने टी पॉइंट पे एक तुलसी कैफ़े होता था जहाँ से नीचे उतरते हैं। अब चल रहा है कि नहीं ये नहीं पता, लेट्स सी। राफ्टिंग अभी भी ऑन है, चाहो तो राफ्टिंग कर सकते हो। भाई एक करके एक ब्लिस गंगा करके है जगह, उसके साथ में ATM है भाई। नहीं तो यहाँ भी कसौल जैसी हालत है, कैश नहीं मिलता। ये मेन रोड है ऋषिकेश वाली। भाइयों अभी हमें टैग कैफे में, जहाँ की नीचे यहाँ से कहीं नदी बह रही है जो दिख नहीं रही होगी, आवाज़ आ रही है। And we are staying opposite side somewhere. They both are doing some work. We had some tea, coffee and everything. So, what do you think about this cafe, guys?
Guys, this cafe is so good. I love this cafe. They have
Food
good
is nice. The
khichdi.
lemon nana is so fucking chilled and
Guys,
This guy is drinking lemon nana in like winter coming one.
I had ginger honey lemon tea. What do you had?
I had khichdi, Babaji.
Oh, good. And this guy is having lemon nana.
Lemon nana. It's really like flowers and everything, and he's like, "Can I have a lemon nana, please?"
So this is inside and this is the outside of cafe.
This place has one of the best views. That's the thing.
Oh, don't fight, bro. Don't fight. Don't fight. Okay, we were on Good Times Cafe for breakfast. And now where we are going, Baba?
I don't know. Where were we going?
Buddha?
Buddha?
Let's...
I was hoping you'd know someone. I was like, it's gonna be so awkward if he's saying hi and we don't know him. I was super hoping you knew someone. Nice.
Hello. Little Buddha Cafe. See how it looks like from inside. तो भाइयों बढ़िया थुप्पा, एक पिज़्ज़ा, फुल पावर खाया गया है। मेरे पीछे मंदिर है भाइयों, और इतना बढ़िया ऋषिकेश हो रखा है, बिल्कुल खाली। दिन में थोड़ा सा क्राउडेड था बट इट्स वेरी गुड। सो सिर्फ गायें रह गई हैं अब। पीछे बुद्धा कैफे था जहाँ से भी हम आ रहे हैं, और सब कुछ बंद होते हुए ऑलमोस्ट। और हम रात को गेड़ियाँ मार रहे हैं। ये दोनों पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हैं पीछे। They will be coming up. तो भाई रूम पे पहुंच गए। ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं करने को यार, 11:30 बज गए हैं। खाना बहुत सही था। And I believe one of the best things in this trip I got is this room. Trust me, I'm in love with this room because I'm paying 250 rupees for this room in Rishikesh. This is next to impossible, guys, to get it. And this is the balcony again. So these two guys went for sleep. I'll also sleep. I just have to upload some of the files from my phone to my laptop and maybe I'll sleep, guys. Till the time you guys enjoy. If you didn't have been subscribe the channel. The good content is coming up for you guys. So boom.